If you want to add timestamps to your YouTube videos and make it easier for the viewers to skip to the exact part they need, this quick guide will show you how step by step. First of all, open the YouTube Studio on your browser or the YouTube Studio app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your channel. Now, go to the content section and select the video you want to edit. After that, scroll down to the description box and this is where you will add your timestamps. Now, to make timestamps work, you need to follow a simple format. Start with 00, then type the title for your first section. On the next line, add the next time like 1.25 and then the title for that section. Continue this format for all parts of a video. And make sure your timestamps are in ascending order and that the very first one starts at 0. Once you're done, click on the save at the top right corner of your screen and now when someone watches your video, they'll see the timestamps in the video progress bar as clickable chapters. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos and thank you for watching.